So if you see Nifty is at support, and this is a good place to accumulate Nifty Bs actually. So and Nifty 50 it is far away from all-time high. It is below 50 SMA, not that great. Nifty 500 is also same thing. It is also at support somewhere over here, 22,400. But we need to see like is it going to go more below? Nifty mid cap also same thing. It is also, it's more or like a reflecting Nifty 50. Whereas small cap is also weak. It is forming lower lows and lower highs, weaker than all the broad market indices. Micro cap is obviously weak. Total market is at support. And if you see auto is more or relatively auto sector is stronger than other sectors actually. Nifty Bank is also coming to its previous breakout region. We need to observe whether the price is going to take support here or not. If that is also broken down, then we may see more fall in the banking sector. Same thing. It is trying to come to this channel support line. Same thing. Private bank is also below 50 SMA and it's trying to go down. We need to see how it is going to behave these coming weeks. PSU banks is the relatively stronger banking index, whereas the financial services and the private banks are weak. But PSU is above 50 SMA and it is coming towards the support of 50 SMA. So we may see some consolidation on the 50 SMA. That can happen. Or we may see something like this. It may consolidate around the 50 SMA for some time. And meanwhile, the price may come to this channel support line. So that we may see that kind of behavior. So let's keep this PSU bank in watch list. Auto PSU banks should be in watch list as of now, but not for next week. So FMCG obviously it was at support, and yeah, as of now nothing changed much. What happened from previous support? It reached the 50 SMA and it considered it as a it took it as a resistance and started coming down from there. So as of now, the price may reach this channel support also. Anything can happen. As of now, it is weaker. Pharma is at its near 52 FEC. It is trading at the zone and above 50 SMA. So it is relatively stronger. Pharma and healthcare FEC both are reflecting same behavior. IT index is weakest of all. It broke this weekly support already and it is marching towards 26,400, I guess. So we need to see how much fall we will see in Nifty in coming weeks. So I will not touch IT at all. And metal is the strongest of all the indices. Like we have seen auto, PSU, and metal. If you see, though Nifty was falling down for last month and all, more than a month, but the metal stood. It consolidated it within that same price actually. A kind of time correction has happened and it reached its 50 SMA. So we may see some stocks from metal sector may jump, whether it could be from non-ferrous industry. We need to see that. But there are some stocks which are forming very good setups in metal sector that we need to observe. As of now, I can observe that metal is being strong. And if you see, there is some room left for it to travel upside in the channel if you see over here. So yes, metal from rank point of view, if you see, metal is stronger than auto, then PSU bank from whatever the charts that are saying. And then realty is weak. It is below 50 SMA and it broke down support also, so it is weak. So nothing much. Media is also weak. Actually, it is reaching its long-term channel support that if that somewhere the price is over here, then that is when we can accumulate, I guess. Nifty energy, if you see, it is above 50 SMA and it is near 52-week high. So it is being strong in this environment. And PSC is also above 50 MA and recently it took it 50 SMA as a support and it is trading near its 52-week high. I think PSC and energy are the one, they're also good. And then coming to capital markets, weak below 50 SMA. Consumption is weak. Defense. So the next strongest sector out of all the indices that we have seen so far is the Nifty defense. So what happened yesterday? I mean on the Friday, it broke out from its weekly resistance. If you see over here, so it closed above its weekly resistance. So the next resistance from the previous, you can see historically, it is at 9,000 as an index. So you can we can see some setups from the defense stocks which are moving up. I think BEL, Astro Micro, there are some stocks which are reflecting this kind of index behavior. They broke out from 52-week high. BEL is the one, and yeah, you can check out. So apart from the defense, what else? Commodities is also trading at near 52-week high. Oil and gas, I think it is trying to come to the support. We need to see. Yeah, power is also at its 52 near 52-week high. So we need to observe. So as of now, you can see the strong sectors are metal, and from thematic, if you see strong sectors, one is defense, energy, and PSC. So I think the next coming weeks will be mostly the stocks from these sectors will be moving. A kind of good move may come from these sectors, and the other sectors which are like consolidating at its all-time high or 52-week high or near 50 SMA are pharma, healthcare, and manufacturing, commodity, power. So that's it. I will close it here.